The alumni of Unity Hall, popularly called Conti, and University Hall, also known as Katanga Hall of the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, KNUST, have appealed to President Akufo-Addo to ensure that the two halls revert to their original state as all-male halls.
He also appeals to the president to protect students against intimidation, harassment, or physical abuse by university authorities. They made the appeal when they called on the president at the Jubilee House in Accra. Early this year, the KNUST authorities announced the conversion of University Hall, otherwise known as Katanga Hall, and Unity Hall, also called Conti, into unisex or mixed halls. This was part of efforts to promote inclusion in school and increase the number of female enrollment. This decision did not go down well with the affected students, leading to a series of protests and demonstrations. The continuing students and the alumni have also resorted to a legal battle which is still pending. The petition to the president follows an earlier one to the chancellor of the university, the Asantehene Otumfuo Tutu. The petition, among others, entails a comprehensive proposal on ways to address the acute shortage of residential and academic facilities on campus. Mr. Charles Donto is the leader of the delegation.
We know that the VC's intention is to increase the female student population by up to about 40% by the year 2025, which is the university, sir. Which is fine with us. I mean, if the female students grow in number, it inures to the benefit of the whole country. But the way he is going about it is what worries us. Because all along, he had targeted Katanga University Hall and Conti Unity Hall for what reasons we are not familiar.
President Akufo-Addo told them he would consult with the university's council to find an amicable solution to the problem.
I obviously want to get an input to it from the Minister for Education. He's my person in an area like this. But I suspect he will also have to make contact with University Council to find out what their views are. The views of the Vice Chancellor, those I think are well known. They're a matter of public record. But it's that route. And I just think that may have facilitated and expedited things if you yourself had made that preliminary contact. But that is it. We deal with the reality of what has happened. Yes. You've come here. Yeah. I wanted to thank you that you've taken this step to looking for a responsible way out of a problem that is worrying a lot of people in Ghana, understandably, I think. So I will definitely seize the relevant authorities, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, I'll do that.
The alumni of both halls considered the decision to petition the president as the last resort in their protest against the conversion of the halls.